everyone. This is Dr. Sabina Romao, and today we are going to talk about diabetes. Diabetes is a very common illness amongst Indian population. However, a lot of people are not aware that they are suffering from diabetes. This is because diabetes does not cause any specific symptoms. As a result, the blood sugar levels remain high for a very long time before the disease is diagnosed. And this increased blood sugar levels can cause damage to various organs like liver, kidney, heart, eyes, etc. So it is important that the diabetes be diagnosed at the earliest and the blood sugar levels controlled. So for diagnosing the diabetes, first we need to be aware of the symptoms and signs of this disease. Although the signs and symptoms are not very specific, we still need to know them. So the commonest symptoms which are seen in diabetics are increased hunger or increased thirst, excessive urination, repeated urine infections, feeling of tiredness, weight loss, etc. All these individuals should get their blood sugar checked immediately. At the same time, with individuals who are having family history of diabetes are recommended to undergo regular sugar check. We also recommend that the general population between the age of 18 to 40 should undergo the blood sugar test every 5 years. For the individuals who are between the age of 40 to 65 should undergo test every 3 years, and those who are above 65 should undergo test every year. During this test, so what are the commonest tests which are done for diagnosing diabetes? So one common test is a fasting blood sugar level. So for fasting blood sugar level, it is important that you fast for at least 8 hours and not more than 12 hours. During this period, you can have water but nothing else. For individuals having blood sugar levels of more than 126 mg per dl are diagnosed as diabetes mellitus. The other test is random blood sugar. So this test can be done any time of the day, and people having the random blood sugar levels of more than 200 mg per dl are diagnosed as diabetes. However, there is another test which is your HbA1c or average sugar or glycosylated hemoglobin, which we recommend as a more authentic test for diagnosis of diabetes. This test gives you the average blood sugar over a period of past 3 to 4 weeks or 120 days. This gives a more authentic picture, and any individual having a HbA1c level of more than 6.4% is diagnosed as diabetes. Once an individual is diagnosed with diabetes mellitus, they need to consult a diabetologist and monitor their blood sugar level and keep it under control. So for maintaining the blood sugar levels, there are 3 things that need to be done. One is the dietary modification. That in this, the carbohydrate levels in your diet should be decreased. The next thing is exercise. Regular exercise helps to drive the blood glucose into the muscle cells and to be utilized by the body. This brings down the blood glucose level. And the third thing is the medications. At the same time, it is important that all the diabetics should monitor their blood sugar. They should do their blood test every 3 months. So during this test, that they should check their fasting blood sugar levels, their post-lunch blood sugar levels, also the average blood sugar levels. In addition to this, they need to monitor the lipid profile, because the individuals with diabetes are known to have heart diseases. So it is important that they regularly check their lipid profile and serum creatinine, which is the test for the kidney test, kidney function. The take-home message here is, please undergo regular health checkup and check your blood sugar levels to diagnose diabetes at the earliest, so as to prevent the unnecessary complications at the later date. Thank you.